So I'm very excited to announce in this newsletter that we will have the Emerging Technologies Workshop, which was held in 2022 in collaboration between the Department of Biological and Agricultural Engineering, the World Food Center, and the Post-Harvest Technology Center. Basically, in 2022, we hosted this workshop titled Emerging Technologies in the Produce Industry, where we divided the workshop into 5 different sessions. And in each of the sessions, we had a combination of lecturers and discussions in roundtables, so it was very informative. Session 1, basically we started by describing pressing issues and an introduction of the future of farming and entrepreneurship, which set the tone for the majority of sessions, so the sessions that came after. Session 2, we addressed topics related to labor, human resources, and ergonomics, where the human component is incredibly important for us in technology innovations. Session 3, mechanic and robotic harvesting. We all know that labor is one of the highest costs in agriculture, so finding alternative solutions to harvest our crops. Session 4, we have food quality and safety sensing and controlling to reduce food losses and food waste and maintain the quality and safety of our product. And last but not least, Section 5, alternative and functional packaging materials that are much more sustainable and can help you preserve the quality and safety of your products. So please, feel free to look at our content in our YouTube channel. It is all for free, and let us know what you think. Looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.